Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Kuku and you here and welcome. Make sure you subscribe, watch the video to the end. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, I'm back in the city. So let's see what has changed, what is taking place here. So let's go. A lot of people, guys, because it's on a weekend. This is Nairobi City, the capital city of Kenya. For those who don't know, let's walk on this side. A lot of business are taking place here.
Welcome to measure your height. Welcome. Stand stable.
It's on a weekend and this is how the streets are busy. So guys, let's walk this way. So just know that the weather is not that good. not that good once today. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Road to 5,000 subscribers, guys. So guys, we are road to 5,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Make sure you give me that support, guys. And if you are watching without subscribing, guys, subscribe. It's free.
Hey. I like you. We're not getting wrong.
So guys, for those who don't know, this is Nairobi, Kenya, the capital city of Nairobi. So let's keep on walking around. A lot of people, it's on a weekend. Yeah, it's raining actually, guys. This is how the streets look like when it's raining. So guys, these are how the streets look like when it's raining. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for the video events. Tulisema so guys, we can take this route. Sasa.
Okay, mimi naingia hapa hivi. Yes.
Papa.
Najua nyinyi ndio mnagawa chakula.
Sisi hatugawi chakula kwa sasa. Hatugawi chakula kwa sasa. Guys, as you can see, the roads are empty. People are just running because of the rain. I don't know whether you can see it's raining. It's not raining, actually it's drizzling. Let me use the correct term. Yeah, this is Nairobi. So beautiful, so clean.